Hi guys, welcome to another video. If you're new, welcome. And while you're there, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you. For today's channel, we're gonna play a game called Saving Christmas. Okay, let's go. Come. Let's play with this girl and go on. Let's go. It's taking some time.
Yeah.
It's okay. Bro, guys, why is it so long?
Yeah, it's so long.
We have to wait, I guess.
It's almost there. Is it almost there?
It's 26 more seconds.
Okay.
Bro, come, girl. Come, boy. Come here. Come here. Come. Yes, the girl.
Yeah.
Come.
Yes, another girl.
Yes. Okay, boy, come here. Come here, bro. That guy don't come. It's okay.
Yeah.
Bro, just sit already.
Okay.
Yay. Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Still loading.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Snowball.
Snowball fight.
Snowball.
Wow, it's snowing so much. Yeah, I know, girl. Should we build a snowman? I don't know. I like snowball fight.
No,
We should make snow angels. I don't know. I like snowball fight. No, we should have a snowball fight. Okay, let's have a snowball fight. Let's have a snowball fight, guys. Eh. Okay. Come on, kids. Time to come inside and warm up. Okay, mom.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go, guys. But now, before we get to bed, let's set the milk and cookies for Santa. Steve!
Yes.
You have to set the milk and cookies. Come here. Follow me. It's over here.
Good.
Okay, now come. Let's go. Yay! Can I have the milk and cookies? I'm kind of hungry, guys. I want the milk and cookies. Wait, let me add a little bit more flavor to the milk and cookies.
Bro.
Very nice. Perfect. Now let's get ready for bed so Santa can have his milk and cookies. Okay, Mom.
Go.
Let's go to bed. Let's go to bed, guys. I call the top bunk. I'm gonna go here.
I'm gonna go to the light. 4 and a 2 and a 1. Okay. Night. Sweet dreams.
Okay. I hope Santa will give me iPad for Christmas.
Like a sword.
Maybe there's an intruder in the house. Guys, kinda scared. But hope it's Santa. I want Santa to go
Or
here.
maybe it's Santa.
Yeah, maybe. I'm gonna go. Okay. Come, let's go. Let's go out, guys. Okay, come. Let's go. Let's go out. Okay, time to go. Oh, there. Okay, I'm gonna go downstairs. Where is it? I don't see a koan.
Oh, there it is.
No, there. Oh, there.
This
Okay.
is the door.
I can't see anything.
Yeah, me too. 10 and 9 and 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yay. I found the light switch. It was Santa. I told you guys. Yeah, I know Santa. Santa, give me a tablet for Christmas.
Oh no,
please.
he's injured. Are you?
Oh ho ho! I think I've broken my leg coming to the chimney. I'm getting far too old for this job. Oh no! But can I have presents? Oh no, Santa! What can we do to help? I don't think I can continue handing out presents. Maybe you kids could take over for me. Bro, I just want my present.
You
I want
mean
to open.
you want us to deliver the rest of the present in our?
Yes, go find the sleigh in the forest just outside of town. Okay,
Okay.
let's go. Let's go out, guys.
Let's go.
Okay, click the door, Steve. Click it.
I already click it.
No, you're supposed to click the door.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Look, they must be the present Santa told us
Oh, yeah.
to follow.
Okay, come on, guys. Let's
Okay.
go. Follow the present trail.
Let's follow the present.
Wait.
Okay.
Present.
There's one present.
Into his present space. The sleigh must be somewhere through this forest. Yeah, I know. Come.
Come on.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, come.
Let's go.
You're right behind me, guys. Okay, let's go.
Yes. Hmm.
Oh, reindeer.
Rain.
Look, there's the sleigh.
Oh, there's the sleigh.
Guys, help. Where's Santa? He's been gone for ages. Oh, Rhoda. Hi, Rhoda.
He's had an accident and we've.
Well, okay. Thanks for that. Helping us. For helping us. We need to find Rhoda. Wondering of saying he was looking for some food. Bro, I thought
Did
were
you
the-
see which direction he went?
Yeah. Yeah. Have you seen? The last I saw him was heading towards the cave across this frozen lake. Okay, okay.
Okay.
We should carefully cross over to him. Should collect some wood and planks to lead him across. Okay, let's get a plank.
Yeah,
Get
let's
planks.
go get some planks.
I got 2 planks.
Oh, it's right here somewhere.
Yep. Found another plank.
Trying
Bro,
to
where's the-
find some
Oh,
planks.
there's the last plank.
Okay.
I found the last plank, guys. Don't worry. I'm so pro. Look, we can get across the cave now to Rhoda. Yup. Let's go.
Go.
Where's the cave?
Where's the cave?
Yeah, where's the cave?
Oh, it's right here. I think there's the cave.
Okay, let's go. No, over here. Come, Steve. Over
Okay,
here.
following you. Okay, we're in the cave. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Be careful. Rudolph, thanks for saving me. I would have been stuck here if it wasn't for you. Okay, come on, Rudolph.
No worries, Rudolph. Be careful. Follow me back. I'm not sure.
Don't worry, I can fly. Follow you across. Be careful to. Okay, let's go. Let's go. I want to be here. Okay.
I'm following Rudolph. Okay, coming to Rudolph.
I want to sit here. Everyone, get in the sleigh so we can carry it. Okay. We're saving
Okay.
Christmas, guys.
Yes, I can see it.
I want to see. Oh, yay! Everyone ready?
Yep.
Wait. Okay, let's go.
3, 2, and 1.
Let's
Let's go. This is so cool. Can't believe we're flying in Santa's sleigh.
I know, right? Like, this
Yeah.
is my first time. Of course. Santa better give me good presents for this. Because I'm like helping him.
Okay. That was so fun.
Yeah, I know, right? Hope you enjoyed the ride. Can you go and deliver presents inside the blue house? Okay.
Beautiful in the blue house.
How to climb the Oh, you're supposed to go here. Okay, come on. Let's go. I got gift.
Let's go put the present under the tree.
Wait, be
Wait,
careful. You touch the floor or there will be caught by the parents. Okay, don't touch the floor, guys.
Okay.
Okay. Wait, how can she like?
Bro, you will die. Bro, this guy will die. Are you serious?
Why can't I like?
The first person to receive a reward at the end. Here. Put and put.
How can I put?
I can put.
You too.
Oh.
No, the person died.
No. I don't want to die.
Okay, come on.
Come in.
Okay, let's go. Go! Out. Okay.
I did it. Let's go out.
Okay, come on, let's go. Be careful. Okay, come on. But where's our team? Our sister gunning.
Okay, I'm going out.
And this is my present now. Be careful crossing the street. Don't get caught by the cars. Okay.
Climb.
Come, Steve, be careful. There's a car.
Ah! Oh my god.
Let's go to this. Oh.
This. About the presents.
We're gonna go get the presents. Okay, come on.
I have the gift.
Okay, put. Yeah, I know. Come.
Let's go. It doesn't look like we will wake anyone up this time. The carpet.
Okay, come on. Put the gift.
Let's go put a gift in the kids' stocking.
Okay.
Open the door.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, it's upstairs.
Yep.
Escape the parents. No!
We died.
No!
No. Let's return to lobby.
Let's go return to lobby. No!
Um,
I can't go back. Oh, wait.
let's go to lobby.
Let's go to lobby. Let's go to lobby. Join in. Okay.
Unfortunately guys, we have to end the video. But if you want us to play this game again, make sure to like and subscribe and comment if we should. Okay, that's it for today guys. Hope you like our video. Thanks guys. Bye.
Bye.